Carnival Massive! Get ready for Get On Bad, Carry a Rag, Carry a Flag to Palm Beach Carnival 2013.
Bigger and better.
With new management, new venue, and more vibes. On Saturday, June 15th.
Father's Day weekend.
Come see all the sexy Caribbean Massive from Palm Beach, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Port St. Lucie, Tampa, Orlando.
All dressed up and ready for Bacchanal.
As they invade Palm Beach for the 6th Annual West Indian Parade and Festival. With live music, street parade, masquerade band, steel pan, Great Island food, and live concerts.
With performances by
international recording artist Assassin.
It's a big up every massive and we big up every crowd.
Blast. Jacquot number 1.
And many more.
Are you ready for Bacchanal?
It's the all-new Palm Beach Carnival 2013. Saturday, June 15th, Father's Day weekend at the Sunset Cove Amphitheater in Boca. Early bird tickets are available for only $15.
For more information or vendor opportunities, call 561-201-0611.
Or log on to palmbeachcarnival.com.